My great concern is not whether you have failed, but whether you are content with failure. I do the best I know, the best I can, and I intend to do it to the end. Labor existed before and was not tied to capital. Capital is the result of labor and would never exist if there was no labor. Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I will use the first 4 hours to sharpen the axe. A house that divides itself cannot stand. The greatest art of the future is to make a peaceful life from a small piece of land. I will make preparations, and one day my opportunity will come. If I were to fast, would I wear this one? No person is good enough to lead others without the other party's approval. Always remember that your determination to succeed is more important than anything else. No one has a good enough memory to be a successful liar. You can fool everyone some of the time and some all of the time, but you can't fool everyone forever. You cannot escape responsibility from tomorrow by avoiding it today. It's a shame if there are people who are not wiser than they were yesterday. Something that may come to those who wait, but only something that those who wait leave behind. I really believe in people. If given the truth, they can be relied on when facing a national crisis, and the key is to bring them to the real things that are happening. Do it impressively, do it right, and do it with style. I don't like that person. Therefore, I should get to know him better. Because our problems are new, we must think in new ways and act in new ways. I'm a slow walker, but I never walk backwards. Important principles must allow and must be inflexible. In the end, it's how long you live that matters, but what kind of life you live your whole life. Do I not destroy my enemies when I make them my friends?